The mango trees. I see them trees. So much acres. Raja. He been chewing on some of them chickweeds, or what do you call that? Chickweeds. That brother was throwing twinkle.
You know I got you on video, man.
Oh, you have me on video?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Hey, Jasir, I want to thank you so much for bringing me here to this wonderful place, exposing me to my family across the waters, man. Thank you. I encourage anybody that have an opportunity to come, you know, not only just to come to with Jasir, the yoga KEMETIC group, because they know how to take care of you. I'm on a cane, but they making sure that I'm taken care of. So, and look around you. You can't get to, you know, it's just beautiful. You know, I gotta stop because I'm getting emotional. But look, I'm pretty sure he's gonna have some other things to show you. But again, you know, come in. And this is my man here. I'm making friends, and I'm just grateful to God for that happening. Hotel.